looking at what we have here, the market is here at the moment. So what I'm looking forward to see, or what I'm expecting to see unfold from now onwards, as you can see, price went down to this level of this order block and quickly pulled up. Okay, so what I want to see is price to collect all these buy side liquidity that is resting here. And if you look at this level here, this is the level of our breaker. If you just look at the structure like this is the level of our breaker here. So I'm expecting price to get to this level here, and then we get to see some form of retracement, and then price continue to push up and get to this level here. If you look at this level here, you get to see that we have our QML at this level here. And if you look at this level here, this is an order block. Okay, so this is an order block. For those who are familiar with base, this is a base, but also at the same time, if you look at this is an order block, depending which concept are you going to be applying here. So since we looking at our order blocks, so this is going to be an order block that we might see price push up a little bit to get to this level here of this order block here. But what we are targeting is this level here as our main objective, to sell short at this level. So but we need to keep in mind that price might push up a little bit before we get to see our significant decline. So if we switch to our daily time frame, we get to see that if you look at here, you can see that this is the level of our order block here, and this probably our equilibrium of that order block. So if I pull just the fib like this and put it here, so these are equilibrium of that order block. So definitely we might see price retracing from this level here, push down a little bit, and then continue to get to this level here, and then we see a significant decline. So that's what I'm expecting to see when it comes to USDCHF. So what we're going to be targeting, I believe, as price continue to go down, as price action continue on the upside, you're going to be having a lot of opportunities that will be unfolding here, and a lot of things that you can use as a point of reference as your take profit. But the main objective is to see price getting to this level. Let me just try to push this. Is to see price getting to this level here, and then quickly we see price coming down and collecting all this sell side liquidity that will be resting here. So let me just zoom. So yeah, this is what we are anticipating for price to collect all these sell side liquidity that will be resting here, but make sure to partially close, because I believe as price continue to go down, as price continue to go up to our expected level, we're gonna have a lot of price action that will be taking place here. So you're gonna be looking at your breakers, you're gonna be looking at your fair value gaps, your order blocks, and all those things to take profit at. Okay, so that's it for the USD CHF.